So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to rotate images here on Google Docs. So I have my image right here. If you go ahead and press on it, nothing opens up. If you were to go ahead to this bottom button right here and then press on all image options or size and rotation, either one works, but we'll just go ahead and press size and rotation. Once you're on this screen right here, just go to where it says rotate. Now, if you want to rotate it, 90 degrees at a time, you can go ahead and do it this way. If you want to customize it, go ahead and you can kind of rotate it and do what you got to do. So you can do like so if you want like 36, type in 36. If you want 178, 178, 23, this looks good to you, go ahead and exit out. And now your page right here is rotated the way you want. So once again, size and rotation, you can change this. We'll go to 0 and just kind of play around with it this way. You can also rotate 90 degrees, and that's super simple. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can rotate an image here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.